Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Realize Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a recipe for boiled and fried cassava in its own. As you know, we have boiled and fried provisions. It's basically the cassava alone and salted fish fried together. So for this we're going to be using just one large cassava. It weighs about 1.5 pounds. We're going to be using about 6 ounces of salted fish, some scallions, tomato, onion, salt to taste. As usual, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below the video. So let's get started. So to begin with, we're gonna boil some water to boil out our salted fish. Alright, so our water is hot, so we're gonna go wash our salted fish first and then add them to this water. So you want to get off as much salt as possible before you put them to boil. We're just going to bring this up to a boil. We're going to boil this for about 10 minutes once, and that's good enough. That's going to be good enough. So we were heating up some water as well on our next burner for our cassava, to boil our cassava. So while our salted fish is boiling and our water is heating up to boil this cassava, we're going to get the cassava ready. So this dish is quick and yummy, my friends. As you know, cassava is delicious boiled with some butter. Some people like this with mashed with some butter, but fried with this salted fish is delicious as well. And of course we have our full out boiled and fried provisions with salted fish. We have both of those recipes on our channel. You can check them out. So you're just gonna split them in two like this now, and that's gonna be the right size you want. So now we're gonna go wash our cassava. So in we go with our cassava, and our salted fish is starting to bubble up. So we add some salt to the cassava. So while your cassava and your salted fish is boiling, you're gonna get your seasonings ready. We're chopping our scallions now. And this is gonna be yummy, guys. Should give this recipe a try, definitely. Alright, so our salted fish has been boiling for about 10 minutes, so we're going to remove this now, strain it out. There you go. So our cassava is still boiling, as you can see. A little more for this. So we're going to be using one wiri pepper in this dish. Use as much as you like, or none at all. So our cassava is finished boiling and we're gonna take it out now. So we're just gonna break up our saltfish a little bit. So you don't want to break them up too small because they'll be broken up further when you're frying up it with the cassava. That's it. Our pan is hot, so we're gonna add some oil. Alright, so our oil is hot and we're gonna add our onions first. So we can fry this up for a little bit, for about a minute or so. Okay guys, so now we're gonna add our tomato. So after our tomatoes are fried up, our onions for a bit guys, we're gonna add our saltfish next. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt now. Now remember we boiled the cassava with some salt, so we're not gonna add too much now. Some black pepper. Alright guys, so after we added the salt to fish, we fried that for about a minute and a half. So now we're going to add our scallions. So we're just using about one of the, and we're going to add the pepper as well. So we're just using one of the stem of scallions that we chopped up, we're not using all of it. So you're going to see when you're doing yours how much scallion you would like. So you want to add the scallions, the order in which we added our ingredients would make it look like this at the end. If you had added the scallions before in the beginning, it would be lost by now. So you want to add it towards the end. So now we're going to add our main ingredient, which is our cassava. Oh, that's smelling so good, guys. Kitchen smelling nice. So you want to cook it for a little bit, about a minute and a half or so, for the flavors to infuse. Now look at that. Isn't that looking lovely? Lovely. Yes guys, so we have fried this up for about a minute and a half. And look at that. This is ready. Boil and fried cassava with saltfish. Yummy. So that's it for this recipe guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon too so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.